Looks like Kitty's due for a shot. Maybe it's time for a quick getaway. Shh, Kitty. We need to be quiet. That's not the thanks I expected. Wait, Kitty's gonna be a new mommy. Kitty's gonna need a new nursery. Let's empty this closet now and lay down some foam puzzle pieces. What's next? Oh, careful! Ooh, good thing Pomni broke your fall. Well, it wasn't so good for her. Quick, Kitty, call her an ambulance! She's an ambulance! Ha ha. You're going to feel a little sleepy. Ooh, check out that back pimple. Let's clear out all that green stuff. But now, let's dig a little deeper. Pomni's still a little flat, but a nice frame can work wonders. Hey, a toy car! And it's not stopping! Anyone catch that tiny license plate? Maybe this magic toilet can help. Hey, there's cat treats inside! And I think Kitty ordered delivery. Now let's rev up those engines. Guess it was a double order.
Ew.
Okay, next, grab a cardboard box. And add some cardboard shelves. Now we've got a kitty cupboard. This'll keep out all those roaches. Especially if we keep it safe and sound. This deserves a round of applause. This pillow feels kind of rough. Oh, no wonder. It's full of rocks. I know. Let's grab an old pair of tights. And fill it up with some popcorn. Close it up and maybe cover it up. Now the kitties can have a great cat nap. Guess we've earned a little snack break. Hey! And here I thought cats liked milk. But we can still use that plastic bowl. We need to run some string through it. Add a pop tube rim, a pillow inside, and hang up your swingin' new seat. You got a new fish!
Ew.
You know, with a few adjustments, a toy bed is the perfect fish tank. Plus a few accessories. And water. Water's important. And you know Kitty just loves fish. Oh, chips. And there's even a prize. A pool noodle.
Cool.
And it's a big one, too.
Wow.
It'll go great with our other pool noodle. Oh, you got a little something. Got it. Now let's twist it up into some twine. We can use it to cover up the noodles. And make a brand new cat tree. Doesn't fit? Well then make it fit. And add some decorations too. Ooh, how does your garden grow? And I think Kitty's in love. Well, someone's got cat scratch fever. A paw print? Let's fill it up with glue. And throw on some beads. And glitter. Lots and lots of glitter. Almost done. Look, there's a heart underneath. And it's time to cut the cake. Clean it up, and it's the perfect pendant for our new cat collar. Now grab a bunch of cat tails. They're always there to lend a hand. Ah, clean laundry. Perfect place to sit. If only you didn't leave so much fur. Well, make like a cat and lick it. Kind of a weird aftertaste, huh? Hey, what's in the pipe? A pipe cleaner. Makes sense. Let's bend it up. It can be a kitty back scratcher. Takes care of loose hair, too. Flowers will really brighten the room. Or, as Kitty prefers, the floor. Naughty Kitty! How are we going to replace that vase? A doll's head? Why not? Hollow it out and add paint. It's amazing what a little fresh coat can do. Now take some pieces of sausage and stack them together. For a pepperoni rosette. Now make a bouquet in case Kitty gets hungry. The sky is oozing! Wait, no, it's just gum. We need to do something about this. But we're gonna need a little support. Like some handy-dandy Scintapon. Use it to cover all this gum. It sure sticks. Now for some lights and some slinkies. Ew, I think we need to make Kitty their very own litter box.
Ew, yuck.
First, grab an old box.
Wow.
Carve out an opening on top. Why not make it a TV? We got the box, now we need the litter. Here, Kitty, try it out. Don't forget to wash your paws. Ooh, looks like we've got some company. While you're here, why not hang out? Here, you can hold the toilet paper for us. Okay, it's time to show Kitty the big surprise. I think it's time for Kitty to do a little exploring. And that's not all. We've got a few more surprises. Told you Kitty loves fish. And Pomni, too. Hold on, someone's coming in. Quick, hide! Good thing Kitty's great at hiding. Don't worry, the cat always comes back. Because you're what Kitty loves best.
Hey, look out! That's Kitty's favorite toy!
Oops.
You wouldn't like it if he broke something of yours.
Oh no!
Quick, bring out the treats. Aw, that didn't work. Maybe your old pal Kane can help. And look, Ragatha's here too.
Hey.
Plus Pomni and the rest. The circus is in town. Okay, your phone is safe for now. Hey, look, Pomni's got herself a pimple.
Ew.
And it's positively pulsating with pus. Popping it's gonna be a delicate situation. So that's where Pomni's come from. It's time for Kitty's favorite game, and mine. Catch the dot. Hey, careful where you aim it. Uh-oh, he scratched up your phone. I know. Roll up some air-dry clay into a ball. Now grab a little coil to place on top. Make 2 for a fresh pair of buns. You're gonna need something to wear. And we've got just the thing you need. A balloon bikini. Zubal's ready to hit the beach. Hey, look! Dentures! Silly kitty, don't touch. It goes in your mouth, and they're brittle. Aw, don't cry, kitty. It's just candy. Grab an umbrella. Close enough. I know something that will cheer up kitty. A visit from a familiar friend. Just add teeth. Maybe an eyeball or two. And it's Kane. Speaking of Kane, voila! And now we dance.
Wow.
Ooh, a gift. Don't shake it too hard. Never mind, these little guys were made for shaking. Down they go, but they always bounce back. Uh-oh, so close, yet still out of reach. Don't worry, you can make new friends.
Aww.
In fact, I think a new one's on the way. Take an egg, add clay and a face on top. And pretty soon, the gang's all here. So let's get the party started. Ooh, I think Kitty's found buried treasure. Okay, maybe treasure's not the right word. How about fixer-upper? Just grab a sock. It can be your doll's brand new dress. Now let's do something about that eye.
Ew.
And a new do can work wonders. Just remember, sometimes less is more. Much better. Just add a bow on top. She's a brand new doll. A rag doll. Ragatha.
Hey.
Wow, a unicorn with wings. And look. Bubbles, you've won the pony jackpot. And it looks like Kitty agrees. If only Bubbles lasted a little longer. Well, if unicorn bubbles don't last, we'll use something even more magical. Nanotape. You can even draw a little face on it. Don't worry, this bubble looks tough. Okay, Pomni, it's time to stretch. Now wave those arms and stretch legs. Ooh, Kitty's up for a little tug of war. Uh-oh, well, at least you tried. Here, something to drink will cheer you up. How about we cut up the straw into sprinkles? We need some string and some beads. Soon, we'll have a Pomni marionette. Now it's time to move those joints. Mini Pomni! She'll fit right into our little glass bowl. But first, it's time for some housekeeping.
Wow.
We'll fill it up with a sea full of stars. But Pomni's the real star of this snow globe.
Whoa.
And more importantly, she's safe and sound. Grab your gloves. It's time for a little spring cleaning. Just be careful with that mop. Uh-oh. Well, at least you've got a new puzzle.
Oh.
Maybe we can whip up something new. After all, with enough popsicle sticks, you can make your own Ferris wheel. Now we're gonna need another photo. Perfect. Now, print it out. Come on, these kitties are going for a ride. Round and round they go. I think Kitty's a fan. I hear Pomni wants a new look. No, how about this instead? Not that. Okay, we really need to rethink this. Hey, careful! You ruined her drawing. Well, don't get mad. Get crafting. These cups can make a whole new head-switching machine. We can try to match the head with the right body. Hold on, go back. There we go. Sure, your phone's fun, but let's play. Come on, we've got puppets. Puppets! Uh-oh, you've made Kitty cry. Wait, she's got an idea. Grab pictures and a cardboard box. Add a rim and some beads. Now Kitty's got a brand new game. And you can go back to your phone.
Oh, poor Dolly. She's half the girl she used to be. Don't worry, we can rebuild her. By which I mean, make her a kitty. Too bad Mom's not a cat person. Poor kitty, and she's not the only one. Don't worry, you're coming with us. Just gotta sneak past Mom, and done. Now let's make some space for you. You'll have the closet all to yourself. But it can still use some customization. Why don't we make an opening? To make you your own kitty door. And with some toothbrush bristles. It's great for a quick brush. Now let's roll out the carpets. And this remote car can be a 5-star delivery service. And a plastic bottle's great for holding dry food. Put it somewhere your cat can get it. In case it wants a midnight snack. Next up, we're gonna need some hair. Barring that, string or rope is fine. Either way, wrap it around a plastic pipe. Oh, but where to put it? Oh, make a hole. Put it through and add more pipes. Soon you'll have a massive scratching post. And we can decorate with our favorite plush toys. Always great to lend a hand or two.
Yeah, woohoo!
With cats, toilets are basically drinking fountains. So let's make sure it's got clean water. Now grab a pop tube and roll on some paper. After all, every toilet needs TP. Hey, where'd all this cotton come from? Don't worry, we can fix him. But we can make him even better by filling him up with treats. Look how easy it is to dispense. And with a few adjustments, it's also a seat. Ooh, candy. Ooh, slime. Two great things, just not together. So let's add catnip instead. Our little friend here will hold it, while your cat takes a few licks. Wow, what an amazing toy! Plop a little ball inside, and you can fold it into new shapes. Even with the ball still inside. Ooh, there's a bulb on the fritz. Well, we can still use the empty glass. Ditch the wire and fill with water. Add some cardboard and a phone, and you've got yourself a new video projector. Guess we can spare this plushie now that we've got the real thing. Drill some holes. Add cat-friendly seeds and water. This toy's got a brand new dew. And your cat gets a quick nibble. Next, slice up a big plastic bottle. Add some twine on the sides to make handles. And add something soft. Hang up a tiny kitty hammock with a special surprise inside. Ooh, where'd that red dot come from? I think it wants to show us something. Wow, a cat treat gadget. Let's take it for a spin. Look, it's cat treats all around. For your cat, it's dinner and a show. What the? Ugh, how'd a bug get in here? It's okay. Take some cardboard. And we can make some kitty cubbies. It'll keep your cat's favorite things safe. Which, naturally, are mostly just food. Just make sure to close it up. Of course, cats are also partial to balls of yarn. So, lay down some yarn, hot glue some sticks, and lay them down like a bridge. Hook it up. Let's test it out. Now that's what I call sturdy. Sushi. Let's make our own. Black for seaweed, white for rice, and yellow for egg. And add your favorite fillings. Now roll it up and start slicing. But it's not for eating, it's for hanging up. Hey, how'd that get in there? Well, we can use it to attach these pipes. Once it's secure, we can hook it up too. Ooh, look at that hair. Oh, inspiration strikes. Let's add color. And make a bunch. It can give the lamp the cozy cover it needs. Just add some finishing touches, And our cat closet's almost ready. It's time for our new feline friend to explore their new pad. You must be this cute to go through. Careful now, there's a detour. Oh, there's so many things to play with. And even fun things to eat. Hey, being cute is thirsty work. This sushi sure looks like fun. Let's take a look on top. Ooh, a ball! Try to catch it! Look, a well-stocked pantry! And plenty of plants to nibble on. After all that fun, it's time for a nap. But the best part about a closet is that it's great for hiding stuff. Also helps if your cat's a magician. Ah, cats. It's their world. We're just living in it.